Good afternoon, teacher and my friends. Today I will present you about the railgun technology. Do you ever watch the Transformer 2? This is a railgun. A railgun is an entirely electrical gun that accelerates a conductive projectile along a pair of metal rails, using the same principles as the maglev train. The U.S. Navy tests an experimental model that shot a missile with a velocity of over 2.5 kilometers per second, accurate enough to hit a tank from 200 nautical miles away. When a very strong electrical current is passed between those rails, the projectiles complete the circuit and create an incredible strong electromagnetic attraction, accelerating that projectile very quickly. The sheer force of something moving that fast would probably rip a tank in half. The structure of a railgun is quite simple. First, there are the rails. The rails are conductive, with one side being positive and the other being negative. The next parts are the power supply. Preferable the power source produce an alternating current. Then the enclosure made of acrylic. Last of all is the projectile itself. It has a bar called an armature which will connect the projectile to both sides of the rail so that current can be conducted. The current then creates the magnetic field that will fire the projectile. This is an example of a mini railgun. This speed, power, and accuracy seem to make the railgun a definite possibility for future weapon systems. However, it still has some flaws. First is resistance. Whenever pass a current to a medium, it will naturally heat up, due to some natural resistance to the current. The other problem is that the repulsing force of the magnetic field goes both ways, so over time, it can also damage the rails over time. Finally, there is the side issue for the power supply. It takes a lot of energy to fire railguns, so the power source also needs to be large. This limits the applicability of railguns as portable weapons. Thank you for watching and pay attention.